How to make a woman want you. The ultimate attraction guide. Attraction is not about luck. It's about understanding what truly makes a woman crave your presence. If you've ever wondered why some men seem to effortlessly draw women in while others struggle to get noticed, the answer lies in mastering key traits that naturally ignite desire. In this article, we'll break down the essential elements that make a woman want you. From confidence and communication to mystery and emotional connection, these powerful techniques will ensure that she not only notices you but actively desires you. 1. Confidence. The ultimate magnet. Nothing is more attractive to a woman than confidence. A man who believes in himself, stands tall, and radiates self-assurance instantly grabs attention. Confidence is not arrogance. It's a deep sense of security in who you are. If you want a woman to desire you, work on your self-esteem, set goals, and develop a mindset that says, "I am worthy." Women are naturally drawn to men who exude certainty in their actions. Walk with purpose, speak with conviction, and never seek validation. The more comfortable you are in your own skin, the more she will crave your presence. 2. Emotional strength. Be her rock. Women want a man who can handle life's challenges without falling apart. If you are emotionally secure and can maintain composure in stressful situations, she will see you as a source of strength. Be the man who offers stability, listens without judgment, and provides a sense of security. Instead of reacting impulsively to problems, approach situations with logic and calmness. A man who can navigate emotions without becoming overly dramatic or needy is incredibly desirable. 3. The power of mystery. Keep her curious. Predictability can kill attraction. If she knows exactly what you'll say, do, and think at all times, she may lose interest. Keep an element of mystery alive by revealing yourself in layers. Let her uncover new sides of you over time, rather than laying everything out at once. Being a little unpredictable keeps her intrigued. Surprise her with experiences instead of just gifts. Change up your routine, and don't be available 24/7. When a woman has to work a little to get to know you, she will find you far more captivating. 4. Master the art of teasing and playfulness. Women love men who can make them laugh and engage them in playful banter. Teasing is a subtle way to build attraction by creating a fun, flirtatious connection. However, balance is key. Your teasing should be light-hearted and never insulting. Playful back-and-forth conversations show that you're confident enough to challenge her while keeping the energy fun. A man who can make a woman laugh stands out from the crowd because he creates positive emotions she will associate with him. 5. Show ambition and purpose. A man with no goals or drive can come across as unmotivated and uninspiring. Women are attracted to men who are passionate about something, whether it's their career, hobbies, or personal growth. When you have a purpose, you become naturally more appealing because she sees you as someone who is going somewhere in life. Ambition isn't about financial success alone. It's about having a vision for yourself. Show her that you have dreams and that you're actively working toward them. A woman wants to be with a man who inspires her, not one who drifts through life without direction. 6. Effective communication. Speak with purpose. Women connect emotionally through communication. If you can express yourself clearly, listen actively, and engage in meaningful conversations, she will feel a deeper bond with you. Avoid surface-level small talk. Ask her about her passions, dreams, and experiences. A man who can maintain deep, stimulating conversations will always be more attractive than one who only talks about himself or relies on clichés. Make her feel heard, understood, and appreciated. 7. Displaying masculine energy. Masculinity doesn't mean being overly aggressive or dominant. It means embracing your natural leadership qualities. A strong masculine presence makes a woman feel feminine in return. This energy is shown through confidence, decisiveness, and the ability to take charge when needed. Be the man who leads, but also respects her independence. Women desire a man who knows what he wants and isn't afraid to go after it. When you embody masculine energy, she will naturally feel drawn to you. 8. Physical presence and style matter. While personality is crucial, physical attraction still plays a role. You don't need to look like a model, but taking care of your appearance shows self-respect. Dress well, stay groomed, maintain good hygiene, and keep yourself in decent shape. A well-dressed man exudes an air of self-assurance. Find a style that suits you and enhances your best features. Women notice details, so invest in looking your best without obsessing over it. 9. Show independence and avoid neediness. Nothing turns a woman off faster than a man who is too needy. If you constantly seek her attention, approval, or validation, she will sense it and lose interest. Women want a man who has a life of his own, one who enjoys her company but doesn't rely on it for his happiness. Develop your own hobbies, maintain friendships, and pursue personal goals. When you are independent and self-sufficient, she will naturally be more drawn to you because she sees you as a challenge rather than someone who depends on her for emotional fulfillment. 10. The subtle power of touch and body language. Physical touch, when done correctly, builds deep attraction. Light touches on the arm, playful nudges, and warm embraces create a sense of closeness without being too forward. Understanding body language is key. Maintain strong eye contact, stand with confidence, and use open gestures to show that you are comfortable in your space. When a woman feels chemistry through body language and touch, she subconsciously associates those feelings with you. The key is to be natural and respectful, allowing physical contact to develop organically over time. Conclusion: become the man she desires. Attracting a woman isn't about tricks or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about developing yourself into a high-value man who naturally draws women in. Confidence, ambition, communication, and playfulness are all essential traits that make you irresistible. When you focus on becoming the best version of yourself, women will not only notice you but actively desire to be around you. Attraction isn't something you chase. It's something you create by the way you carry yourself and interact with the world. Master these principles, and you'll never have to wonder how to make a woman want you again.